Welcome family, Nkiru here. I hope you all are doing great. Today, I want to share with you another lip-smacking, mouth-watering recipe. Spicy stewed chicken gizzards. Let's cook. Wash the gizzards very well. Pay special attention to this yellow covering inside the gizzard. If you don't remove it, your gizzards will be bitter. So ensure to check all the gizzards and remove the yellow stuff. After washing the gizzards very well, cut them into small chunks. Put them in a pot, add chopped onion, nor powder, liquid aminos, rosemary leaves, and bay leaves. Mince 6 cloves of garlic and add to the pot. Mind you, I will list the full ingredients in the description box. Blend 1 Scotch bonnet pepper and ginger. Use little water and add it to the pot. Mix it very well. No additional water except the water you used for blending. Cover it and bring it to boil. I want you to note the liquid released. You are cooking the gizzards in their own juice. Mix very well and cook until they become soft. While the gizzards are cooking, prepare your vegetables. I'm using parsley and scallion. You can use any vegetables of choice. I would have used more, but I ran out of vegetables. Deseed the bell peppers. I pre-washed them to save time. Dice them. You can use any color combination you want. I'm using red, yellow, and orange. It's up to you. You can add green bell pepper too. Peel the plantains. I like to cut them into cubes. Makes them more attractive. And then, after cutting them into chunks or cubes, you go ahead and fry them and keep them aside. While gizzards are still cooking and I'm frying the plantain, I will go ahead and mince 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. You can use more, you can use less. It's your choice. This is spicy. Heat up oil and saute onion until it becomes translucent. Mix the tomato paste with a little water and add it. You mix it with water so that it doesn't get burnt. Cook until tomato paste is no longer sour or tart. Add the bell peppers and combine very well. Add the Scotch bonnet pepper. Ensure to mix to incorporate everything together. The gizzards are fully cooked and absorbed almost all the stock. Add the sauce to the pot of gizzards. Mix everything very well. Combine very well. Then add the fried plantain, ensuring to mix very well and incorporate all the ingredients and spices. Taste to ensure the seasonings are evenly distributed. Then add the vegetables. Mix everything, combine everything very well, and the most delicious spicy stewed chicken gizzards are ready. You can serve it with anything you want. You can eat it as a side, as a snack, as a appetizer, anything, as a dessert, however you want to enjoy it. Go ahead and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you like this video, share with friends and family, please. And remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave a comment. Bye for now.